Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lo Hui Min. First, let me introduce my group member, which is Lu Xiaoning, Chen Zhuyi, Xiao Jiqing, Tan Pei Ling. The topic of our group presentation is the fish respiratory structure and its adaptations.
The respiratory structure is the respiratory surface that enables gases exchange to occur between respiring organism cells and their outer environment, while adaptation is the process by which a species becomes fitted to its environment. Organisms are adapted to their environments in a great variety of ways.
Next is the respiratory structure of fish. The respiratory structure of fish is the gills. Most fish exchange gases using gills, which means throat. Many aquatic animals have developed gills for respiration, which are specifically adapted to their functions. Then, each gillarch has two rows of gill filaments. The filament has many thin and flat projections called lamella. The lamellar membrane is thin and supplied with many blood capillaries.
Thirdly, adaptation of fish. Fish, like other animals, have also adapted to live in different types of habitats. Fish have adapted to their environment through the evolution of gills, swim bladders, and fins. Gills allow fish to absorb oxygen from the water. Swim bladder allow the fish to maintain an appropriate level of buoyancy, and fins allow the fish to move through the water. Fish have adapted color patterns to help them avoid becoming someone else's dinner. For example, fish that sit at the top of the water are usually dark on top and light on the bottom.
Fourthly, breathing of fish. Respiration is fish ticked with help of gills. Most fish possess gills on either sides of their head. Gills are tissue made up on either sides of their head. Gills are tissue made up of fibrous structures called gill filaments that provide a large surface area for gas exchange. Fish take in oxygen-rich water through their mouth and pump it over their gills. Fish inhalations. When the mouth opens, the floor of the buccal cavity is lowered. At the same time, the opercular cavity is enlarged and the operculum opening is closed. This reduces the pressures in the buccal cavity. Water from the outside, which contain dissolved oxygen, enter the mouth.
Next is the exhalation of a fish. When the mouth is closed, the floor of the buccal cavity is raised. So the water enters through the gill lamella, and gaseous exchange between blood and water occurs through diffusion. At the same time, the opercular muscle relaxes and the opercular cavity becomes smaller. The volume of the buccal cavity is reduced and the pressure in the buccal cavity becomes higher than the pressure outside. The high pressure causes water to flow through the operculum opening. Our presentation is end.
Thank you, teacher.